In this video, we explore the process of finding the top trending tweets. Hello, I'm Jagan from Grow with Data. I am posting this video to share my knowledge in SQL with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I'll be happy. This video will be tagged in SQL Interview Questions, and the code we discuss in this video will be uploaded to the GitHub. The link for the GitHub page will be in the video description. Now let's see the data set and you can talk about the question in detail. So we are given a table tweets. Let's create the table. So this table got user ID, the tweet ID, the tweets they did, and when they did the tweets. So the tweet ID will be the unique identifier for this table. In every tweet, there might be a hashtag. For this one, we have the happy day and morning vibes. So almost the input data, every tweet is having a hashtag. There might or might not be a hashtag. So what they're asking is, find the top 3 tweets hashtags on the month of May 2024. So two things here. First one is you filter all the tweets for 2024 May and then find all the hashtags used in the tweets and see the top 3 trending hashtags. If you say trending, that means more than other tweets, these 3 tweets should have more counts, more occurrence of the tweet. Basically the count, right? So the count of the tweet should be the top 3. So when you have a column like user ID, and if you say who are all the top 3 users who did more tweets, that means you just aggregate based on the user ID and the count, and then you order the count based on descending order, and you can find the top 3, right? But here the challenging part is one tweet can have 0 or more hashtags. First thing is, how will I get all the hashtags from a tweet? So here I have 2, and here most of the tweets I have 2, right? So how will I get the hashtags out of these tweets? And then I have to aggregate and then sort, find the top. After I find the hashtags, it's easy for me to aggregate, sort, and find the top. First thing is, how will I find the hashtags from every tweet? Okay, let's start with the first challenging part. Let me comment this out. We need the tweets, the tweet from the tweets table, right? So this will give me all the tweet. Now I want to find the hashtag. For this, I am going to use the regular expression. I say reg expression substring. I am going to use tweet column. So what I have to do, I am finding a word starting with hash, and it should have something after hash, and it can repeat how much of time it can, right? So that should be the hashtag. So after hash, what can be followed by hash? It can be alphanumeric, it can be a special character, but no space. That's the key. So I'm saying slash s is space. Since slash is having a neutral character, I put another slash to bring in for the space, and I say a caret symbol which say not. That means after hash, anything can come any much hour times it want, like more than 1, right? So anything can come after hash. Only thing which is not applicable is a space. When the space comes, you just slice there. So that is what this one says. If I run this, I have my tweet, and then I have something on the hashtag. If we see this tweet have the first hashtag as happy day, and this one got happy day, and this one got work life, and then tech life. So whatever the first hashtag is, I am pulling that to the hashtag column, right? So it's working fine. But how will I get the second hashtag? For that, I'm going to do a small trick. Same like hashtag, I'm going to use a regular expression, and I'm going to replace something. So whatever the first tweet is, right? Replace that first tweet with a question mark, and make it as the first one. And this one, you make it as a new tweet. Okay. So let's run this. If you see this tweet, see the first one, right? In this tweet, we have the enjoy a great start of the day. The new tweet, it follows the same, but the first hashtag happy day is replaced by a question mark. And then the second hashtag, it just comes like this, right? So first hashtag, I'm tracking on the hashtag column. So now what I can do, I can take this as a CTE table. I can use the new tweet and get the second hashtag column, right? I can go for third or fourth with multiple CTE tables. But the question is, how long I can extend this? It can have two hashtags or three hashtags or 5 or 10. So if I don't have a defined number, then how will I follow that CTE table and how long should I create that CTE table, right? So instead of doing that, I'm going to create a recursive function. This also is going to have the same limitation to know where to stop, but let's start with it. So the difference between the CTE and the recursive CTE is the keyword recursive, and then we say the name for the CTE table, and you can take this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same query union all. So instead of tweets, I'm going to get from the same CTE table as the source. So instead of tweet, I am going to use the new tweet as the column, and I am getting all the hashtags. And if I run this, it's going to throw me an error from tags. Let's see what the error is. So it just said it's aborted 1001 iterations because the recursive depth is larger value. That means there is no stop. That this loop is continuing all the way, right? So there is no limit for it. So what I'm going to do is we have to stop when the hashtag value is null. So when it's not null, you continue with the process, right? When you say that hashtag is not null, then you call the recursive CTE table. If it's null, don't call it. So if I run this, I'm getting the output. I can order based on the tweet and the hash tweet. So I say TWE tweet and hashtag. So this is all two columns. We're looking for order by 1, 2. If I run this, if I see one of the tweets, another happy day with good vibes, feel good. I have two hashtags, happy day, feel good. So I got happy day, feel good, and one more null, and then it stops. After null, it's not going further. Same way, here I have nature and peaceful. So I got nature, peaceful, and a null, and then it stops. So I got all the hashtags out plus a null value. So what I'm saying is where hashtag is not null, then it will bring me all the valid hashtags, right? So if I have this productivity peak, work life, and productive day. So I have work life and productive day. I got both the hashtags. Now it works fine. So now I don't need the tweet. I just need the hashtag, and then I can run it. I got all the hashtags. Now it's easy for me to aggregate all the values and get the top 3. Let's try to do that. So I have hashtags, and then count star as count. Since I have aggregation function, I say group by hashtag and order by 1. So I have all the hashtags summed up. Happy day is the top one, look 3, tech life is 2, and all others are 1. So how will I rank it? So I can use rank function or dense rank, and you know the difference between those. Since I have all hashtags as 1, after 3 and 2 everything is 1, right? So I can't use the rank function. Let's try the dense rank. You can say dense rank over, there is no partition required here. I say order by count star descending as rank. If I run this, I got the happy day as 3. I can order by 1. I can remove this order so it looks much easier. So happy day got 3 count, which is 1, and tech life got 2, which is 2, and all the others are 1. So how will I get the third one? The output should be the total number of occurrences or hashtag, top 3, right? Based on the count and then based on the hashtag. Both should be descending order. So I am bringing the hashtag descending. So after the count, the hashtag will take the priority. So now if you see this, happy day and tech life are 1 and 2. And after this, the hashtag order, the descending order will take the precedence and it rank based on the hashtag. Now I can get 1, 2, and 3. Since MySQL don't use the qualify function, I can't directly filter here. So I can use a CTE table and then I can filter it out. I can say all tags here, all tags as this. I say select hashtag count from all tags where the rank is less than or equal to 3. So I find the expected result. So whatever the top hashtag is, I found the 3, 2, and 1. So the main challenge here is how will I get the hashtag from the tweet and how will I do it on a recursive way? If I know that 2 steps, right? If I know this part of it with the keyword of recursive, all the other steps are easy and you have done that 100 times before. So the challenge is the CTA table, how will you create it? So if you want to see this code, then you can go to the YouTube channel, Grow with Data. The playlist, this will be the SQL Interview Question. We have a Tamil version of it here. Tamil SQL Interview Questions is here. Tamil SQL Interview Questions. So if you go into the playlist, you have all the videos related to that playlist. Let me go to the description part. There's a GitHub link which will take you to the code base. So the video which you're looking for is the 42nd video, right? So that video will have the link for this page, and the 43rd video, right? Yeah. So let me get the 43rd code. Let's refresh the page, and we got the 43rd. So where we have the create statement and we have the query for the recursive CTE and then all tags, and you can filter based on the rank. So if you have database like Teradata or Snowflake, then you can use qualify function and you can use the rank filter in the select statement itself. You don't have to go for the next CTE table. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, then you have the link here. You can use this and join Growth Data WhatsApp channel. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.